Tentmaker.ph. This is for meaningful online shopping. A must for books lovers and music geeks. This is also home for the Talk of the Town videos and ticket sales of refreshing concerts, discount vouchers. Tentmaker.ph, meaningful online shopping.
You are beautiful beyond description. You are too marvelous. I want to hear you sing wherever you are this time. The wonderful for comprehension. Let us sing what we mean and let us mean what we sing. Let us sing this song with passion this time. And who can grasp your infinite wisdom? And who can fathom the depths of your love? You are beautiful beyond description. Love to sing your praises, Lord. Come on, every instrument lifted now. Everybody now. Everybody now in worship. And I stand in awe of you. I stand in awe of you. Oh, holy God, holy God, to whom our praises due. I stand in awe of you. And I stand in awe of you. I stand. Oh, holy God, to all praises due. I stand in awe. I stand in awe. And I stand in awe of you. Saglit po tayong yumuko. Allow the instrument to play. In silence, we just worship. Bless you, Father. He's beautiful. He's glorious. He's holy. He's holy God. And He's beautiful beyond description. Majesty. Stand, Lord, get our shoulder. Ito po ang ating huling awit. And I stand, and I stand, and I stand, I stand in awe of you. Holy God, all praises due. I stand in awe of you I stand in awe. I stand in awe of you. I stand in awe of you, Lord. Just give the Lord your best clap of praises this morning. Will you bless Him today? Remain standing, please. Papatuloy po tayo sa ating series about the minor prophets. And open your Bible with me in the book of Habakkuk, chapter 1, verse 2. Allow me to read a few verses. Scattered verses po ang aking babasahin sa kabuuan ng Habakkuk. Habakkuk chapter 1, verse 2. Habakkuk chapter 2, verse 4. And Habakkuk chapter 3, verses 17 to 18. Ito po ang mga panimulang salita ni Habakkuk sa Diyos at ang sabi ng Panginoon. Sabi po ni Habakkuk sa Panginoong Diyos, O Lord, how long shall I cry and you will not hear? Even cry out to you violence and you will not save. Chapter 2, verse 4. Behold the proud, his soul is not upright in him, but the just shall live by his faith. Sabay-sabay po tayo sa chapter 3, beginning verses 17 to 18. 1, 2, and 3. Though the fig tree may not blossom, nor fruit be on the vines, though the labor of the olive may fail, and the fields yield no food, though the flock may cut off from the fold, and there no herd in the stalls, yet I will rejoice in the Lord. I will joy in the God of my salvation. Pakiulit po natin yung huling linya, yet I will rejoice. 1, 2, 3. Yet I will rejoice in the Lord. I will joy in the God of my salvation. Ang Diyos po ang magpala ng kanyang salita. Give the Lord a mighty hand of praise. You may be seated. Magandang umaga po, magandang araw po sa bawat isa. We're having a short series about the minor prophets. Ngayon po, magpapatuloy tayo sa serye. We'll talk about Habakkuk, a prophet filled with troubling questions. Mapapansin po natin, ang aklat ng Habakkuk ay nagsimula po sa dalawang tanong. How long? Nakalagay po, O Lord, how long shall I cry, and you will not hear? Even cry out to you violence, and you will not save. Kinausap ko po ang isang pastor. After serving the Lord for many years, he was diagnosed with cancer sa prostate po. At pagkalipas ng ilang panahon, gumaling po siya at kinausap ko po siya. Minsan masarap kausapin yung mga taong dumaan sa mga apoy ng problema. Marami po kayong matututuhan. At ang sabi ko sa pastor na to, sabi ko, Pastor, simple question lang po. Ano po yung unang naramdaman nyo nung magpa-check up kayo at na-diagnose kayo with prostate cancer? Sabi nung pastor, yung totoo, pastor? Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya, Pastor, medyo galit po ako at frustrated. At ang sabi ko sa Panginoon, Lord, ito pa ang reward ko sa paglilingkod ko sa iyo ng maraming taon, prostate cancer. The book of Habakkuk ay medyo kakaiba po si Habakkuk dahil marami po sa atin minsan may tanong pero hindi natin sinasabi. Minsan may mga tanong din po tayo na hindi natin kayang sagutin. Are you with me? Pag dumadaan po tayo ng mga problema at mga bagyo, may mga tanong tayo. Mga tanong na minsan nasasabi natin sa Diyos o nasasabi natin sa iba, pero may mga tanong tayong nasa likod ng isip natin. At yung pastor na to, after ilang years na siya po ay nag-undergo ng gamot, siya po'y gumaling. And then another pastor, nakausap ko po siya, serving the Lord din with many years, na-diagnose din siyang may cancer. So gusto kong marinig naman yung bahagi niya. So nagkaroon ako ng tsansa. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, the same question. Sabi ko, nung na-diagnose na kayo ay may cancer, Pastor, ano po ang unang reaksyon niyo? Iba po ang reaksyon niya. Ang sabi po nung pastor, Pastor, kahit ako ay may tanong, pinilit kong isara ang aking bibig. I did not even bother to ask questions. Because baka mamaya makapagsalita ako ng hindi tama sa Diyos.